Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Agrawal, 20NA 10003, and I am here with my DIY project. In this session, I have to disassemble a machine. I am disassembling my old laptop, which is present here, and you can see it is a completely working laptop. Some things are broken because it's old, but everything works here very fine. And I will try to disassemble it, explain you the parts, and then I will assemble it back again and show you that it's still running. Okay, so let's start the disassembly. So for disassembly, first we need to separate this plastic body, this lower plastic body which is here, and for that there are screws available here. Like one screw is here, the second one is here, third, fourth, and there are four screws inside this also. So I will first take out the screws. There are two screws beside, means when we open this battery cabinet, then there are two screws here also. I will use this driver set to open this laptop. So let's begin. As you can see here, I have removed all the screws and kept here. Now all the screws are removed from this laptop. Next work is to separate this silver body from this black body, and now I will do that. So now let me show you some of the parts of this laptop. So this part was connected here, this part was connected here, and this is known as hard disk drive HDD. So I am having 1 TB HDD. This is hard disk drive which simply gets connected through this port here, and this is 240 GB SSD solid state drive, which is pretty popular these days. This is the fast processing drive, and it is connected with this wires, this bus wires to this is known as the motherboard. So this is the main component of the laptop. The whole laptop is controlled by this silicon chip circuits, which is integrated circuit, which is present here. These two are the 4 GB DDR4 RAMs. You can see here 4 GB DDR4. So my laptop is total 8 GB RAM, 240 GB SSD, and 1 TB HDD. This is the cooling fan which is present in the laptop. This unit is known as the LCD unit. This controls the display, and this wire goes to the LCD display. This unit is known as the LAN unit. This unit has the work of controlling the Wi-Fi and network of the laptop, and this wire goes till top up till here. So this is our signal capturing thing, and this captures the signal, and thus the Wi-Fi works in the laptop. This is the webcam which is connected with the LCD only, and this is the LCD. These are the USB ports which is present in the laptop. You can see here, these are the USB ports. One USB port is present here also, and this is all the circuit which is present to control the laptop. So our laptop is very compact, and this is what is generally present in a inside a laptop. So these are the only components present in the laptop. The wire from LCD unit which I showed you comes here, and it is this wire which connects to this LCD unit, and then our displays run. The same wire goes to the webcam unit, so this wire also controls the webcam. And this is the second wire, the black wire. This wire controls the LAN unit, the Wi-Fi unit which I showed you. So this catches the signal and sends, and thus our Wi-Fi is worked in the laptop. So this was pretty much the things which is present in the laptop. This is the battery. Now I will reassemble it. I will put all the things in their place, and then I will show you whether it is working or not. So I have assembled my laptop. You can see that I have also placed the battery in its position. Now I will try to run it, and I hope it runs fine. As you can see the screen, it has started. Now I will enter my password. And you can see that it's working completely fine. So this was my disassembly video of a laptop, and I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.